Soil for sustainable food production and ecosystem services. Fertile and healthy soil is crucial to ensuring food, water, and energy security. Soil provides ecosystem services that go way beyond biomass production and food security. In human timeframes, soil is a non-renewable resource that is increasingly degrading worldwide. Soil is even under threat in Europe. We lose 275 hectares of soil per day in the EU, an amount that, when totaled for the year, is equivalent to the size of Berlin. Taking action against soil degradation has considerably higher economic, environmental, and social returns than inaction. The degradation of agricultural soil can be avoided or at least minimized. A series of existing and emerging practices and technologies are available for that. The prerequisite for degradation-neutral land use decisions is the availability of site-specific soil information. Soil information is one of the cornerstones of smart agriculture, where information and communication technology is applied for cyber-physical farm management. Synergy between conventional and digital soil mapping. Using technological advances like GPS, field scanners, remote sensing, and computational advances has made it possible to improve the quality and availability of soil data. In addition, increasing the adoption of precision farming technologies like crop sensors and automated farm machinery has created the added challenge of dealing effectively with big data in agriculture. Soil information must be an integral part of smart farming and the new digital Europe.